Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to paternity leave update number 4. This is kind of a little message to kind of let you know what you're going to be working on this week. Again, please make sure you're logging into your Zoom session every day for social studies. Make sure you're watching your morning announcements on Miss Dodson's YouTube channel. I've included the links I included the link to her channel, so you can make sure you subscribe and watch. There's a lot of just important information that she puts out there every day. So you need to make sure that you're staying up to date as to what's going on. This week, you're going to be finishing up all the Khan Academy assignments that we have over here. And then you're also going to be completing America, The Story of Us, Episode 4, which is attached in Google Classroom right below this video. You have the link to watch the episode, and you also have the link to complete the viewing guide, multiple choice questions. So both of those are due by the 11th. Other than that, I will see you all on Monday. Looking forward to being back and working with you guys. It's been a nice little time at home with the family, but it's life with an infant. And as I said in one of the other videos, that blood-curdling scream at 2 a.m., there's nothing quite like that to get the adrenaline going. So I'm looking forward to getting back to work, but you might see me a little tired even on Monday, even though I've been off for 15 days, because it's not always a day off with an infant. I bet you're wondering why I don't have my hoodie on. It's because I took it off. It got hot. I made this the same day that I made all the other videos. I just took my hoodie off because it was warm in my classroom. So that's it for today. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the week, and I will see you on Monday when I'm back from paternity leave. Have a great week, and stay safe out there.